What's up, YouTube? Today, it's me and my family. Oh yeah.
We're going. Let's go.
Look at that. The Cobra skirts. You like Cobra skirts?
You like
Mine too open. Cheetah hunt, all that.
I think mine is still open. You heard me?
Yeah, they say it was closed.
Right, yeah. Right now, bro.
You ready, McIntyre? What are you doing? So if you come to Busch Gardens, guys, you should come here on Mondays. It looks like during the summer. It's not when they too busy. But we walking in right now. We're finna go through security check, and then we'll be in. You ready, gorgeous?
Yeah.
So we just walked in. That's crazy. So basically, my mom was talking about how a man 3 weeks ago was arrested because he thought it was a good idea to enter an alligator enclosure. Like, I don't know why he would do that, but it wasn't a good idea. So now they got it barricaded so no one could get in there. There were still gators in there. And that is crazy what that man did. Just because this Florida man. Of course, it was a Florida man. That's crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Alligators right here. All right, now YouTube, we're heading to the gorillas.
Now we are going to go to the Nairobi. No, I'm saying.
What? It is? Oh, I didn't see the gate. That's crazy.
I told you that.
Man, he probably can't see half the animals.
Nairobi, my.
I want to. Can we go on the Cobra skirts?
No, you said going there. What are you talking about?
So we heading near the cheetahs. We're not finna get on cheetah hunt right now. We're gonna go on the Cobra skirts first, right?
What's on the baby face?
You don't see them? Oh, they not out? Oh, I don't think the cheetah's out. They must be in the enclosure. They not out. So the babies are on the ride right now. Look. I want to get on. I want to get on.
I don't. 35 minutes. I can carry. You know what I mean? I can carry. You go
Hey, not all y'all can get in there.
On your phone.
So all us about to get on a ride right now. Yeah. Don't run, no running. Y'all gotta wait.
Yeah, I got you. Grab my pocket.
You got your camera? Come on. You guys ready? Oh, we about to get on. How you feel? Feel good?
Yeah, sometimes I do later you go in the air, I drop. So I'm going up, I'm going down.
Get in.
Before you get in, you got two issues. One, you can't have the head one. They're not allowed.
Okay.
And secondly, that one's not allowed either.
Oh.
It has to be the one that's on the wrist, hand, or chest.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to go off the ride and put it and then come back, you can. Or if you have a place to secure right now, that's up to you.
So I have to place this somewhere secure?
You would have to secure it somehow in your pockets or something. Or leave it with somebody off the ride.
Okay.
So you guys can go off and then come back through the same queue that you went to, then come back after.
Okay, come on.
Okay?
I don't know. You think
Then put it.
it don't work?
Why it don't work?
Huh?
Scratch. You can loosen it.
Can you loosen
Put
it?
it. I'm thinking the baby. Boy, help come with this.
So we're back on the ride. They wouldn't let me record with that, so next time I need to get the body piece and the wrist thing.
So basically I came back with the head strap to my body, and they still said I couldn't record since it wasn't secure enough and I needed an actual body camera. So yeah, even though they said that, my little brother had still gotten some footage, but you know him, he really can't record, I ain't gonna lie.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy they made me do this. At least we got back on, right? At least we get back on.
Why you got your phone in your pocket?
So I have to go get the body strap and the wrist thing.
Yeah.
I should have touched your wrist thing the other day you had.
Yeah, I know how you did that.
Front row?
You want to do front? I know what to do front. You do front. Right, you do front. You do front, I do that one. Where you come with you. In the front.
All right, now we're getting on Cheetah Hunt. Max, are you ready? You ready?
Yes. This is my favorite ride.
This is a nice view right here, you know? Oh no! That was scary?
Yeah.
Now I thought I was about to fly off. I ain't gonna lie. I thought I was about to fly off.
Me too.
We just got off the Cheetah Hunt. Oh, that thing was fast, I ain't gonna lie.
Not bad. I found that thing.
So we stopped by to see the penguins.
You see that penguin?
Whoa, please. I did it.
No, look. Say stop the violence, kiddo. Well, he's trying to fight back. Fight it back, P1.
Look, let I go to the new ride. Oh. Whoa. You okay? We finna go down. Y'all ready? Oh. Oh, I go to drop. I go to drop. I go to drop.
That was a little scary. Not that scary, right?
That was fun.
So I was a lot of night. It's like, it's not even like a...
Oh, why are you stopping like that? It's recording?
No.
You don't see no red dot?
I see a red dot.
That means it's recording. They streaming. Going pretty high. Woo! You happy?
Yeah. I'm not happy about drop.
We're gonna get on that next.
I like that ride. The drop's not even scary.
Y'all ready? Boy, let's go! Nighttime.
Bars have been released. Please gather all personal belongings and exit to your left. We thank you for riding the Scorpion and hope that you...
I think I saw this, huh?
Unfortunately, they were closing at 9 o'clock, so we couldn't really do anything else. If you new, like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully all you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.